Welcome to another unboxing video for the Volkswagen Transporter T4. These are a set of smoked LED rear lights. Let's take a closer look. Kit includes both LED rear lights and a pair of stick-on reflectors and amber bulbs. Let's take a closer look. These are designed to click into the original bulb holders. So the top half section is LED. This twists into the bulb holder. Really easy to fit, approximately around 10 minutes. Nice smoke finish and really good build quality. These lights are fully road legal, MOT compliant, and also fully E-marked. Let's get them illuminated.